going right there. Hello, Butch.
Hey.
So, there's Lawrence Ponzi the first. I'm going to try to clean up that stone a little bit.
Died October 29th, 1911.
Yep. I think that's what it
Son
says.
of
So son of
there, but it's going to be
Angelo and Lucy.
Ponzi. Okay, we kind of shortened it up there to get it all on one line.
So Grandma was born in 05, and he died in 11, and she was the oldest one in the family. And she remembers him passing away,
Yeah.
the story I heard,
Okay,
and an orange in his hand.
that's all right. You're right.
That's what I heard. So, if she was the oldest, and she remembers it, and he only died 6 years or so after she was born, 6.5 years, that means he was only 3 or so. I don't know. Too bad. Poor guy didn't even have a chance. So let's clean his stone up. What do you think?
Let's do it. This guy can get around
Uh-oh. Somebody coming? No, we can move. I closed my door, didn't I? Clean the stone up a little. It's got a little algae, a little lichen, a little moss.
Can I scrape it?
Yeah. Careful, don't get that on your...
What do you want me to do? With the brush first?
Oh, I got a scraper right here, don't I? That's what you were reaching for?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. You know, you wonder what he would have looked like if he had a chance. Now you can read it.
Come right off.
Careful, that's bleach, so don't get it on your jeans or anything.
Yeah, see, I got 100 pair of these jeans. Every pair of jeans I got is work jeans, so
Oh, there we go.
yeah, this is really doing a good job right here.
October 29th, 1911.
Yep.
So almost 112 years ago.
This headstone, see it moved just then?
It's not anchored down.
No, it's not. I don't know how we could anchor it again.
So the story I remember hearing is Grandma remembered him, and tell me if this sounds right to you. She remembered him and then knew there was no stone. They couldn't afford a stone at the time. And she felt guilty about it about what, like 30 years ago or something?
You know, we can't remember exactly when, but Kathy and she decided to find the headstone, right?
Yeah.
And I believe they went to the office.
But then they bought one, right?
Oh yeah, they bought this.
Okay,
Yeah, they didn't have a headstone.
gotcha.
And they, in the office, said this is about where he was born, or laid. And so, you know, best guesstimation, I guess. Is,
So he's here somewhere.
yeah.
But he's remembered here anyways.
Yeah, he is.
Way to rinse that. See where we're at.
Elbow grease first.
Okay. Boy, that's 1,000 times better right there.
Oh yeah. Good for another 100 years, man.
Well, hopefully somebody will jump in here when we're gone and take care of it.
You bet. That doesn't look too bad.
No.
You
That
just
white
spread
jug-
this down a little bit.
That white jug is just water. If you wanna, whatever you think. That's water, and then the other one's got the cleaner in it. Oh, look at that! Holy mackerel! That's where that moss was, or that lichen, that kind of stained it.
That's where that really heavy patch was. That I scraped off first.
What if they ever put anything inside the letters to darken them? You know, like paint or something. These raindrops keep getting on my screen here and thinking I'm trying to shut it.
There it is, baby.
Look at that. We'll spray it one more time, you think?
Yeah, if you want it.
I know I said it already before. Look, I never had a chance. Wonder what he died of. Just,
No, that we're not sure.
well, that's before the Spanish flu, so
Yeah.
who knows? Could have been any number of things. Want me to do a little work, or can we just keep
We're done,
It's like
ain't we?
Looks pretty good.
Well,
Well, we picked a good day to do it because it's raining, so
it rinse it right off.
God will finish the rest. When it turns brown like that, that means it's still working. How nice that stone looks now. Beautiful. There you go, Lawrence. See, we didn't forget you. Never met you. What we know about you. I'm gonna put this on the Facebook Ponzi page.